Hi guys, I'm Marty Poodle, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how I draw a woman's body, and I'm gonna start off with a few basic shapes. There are of course more shapes to draw a woman's body, but I'm just gonna start off with 4 basic shapes. The first one is the hourglass. If you draw this shape on paper, then you actually can start to make a body out of it. You just start with putting some sticks for legs and you draw the hips. You just actually find out where everything is going, and I always start with the drawing of the head and then the shape underneath it, and then actually I just go from there. I draw the boobs and the waist, I draw the hips, the shoulders, the arms, and this is just like a very basic shape, just like the apple body type shape. You just start off with drawing an apple, and this one was a little bit more difficult for me because I'm not used to drawing this type of body, but I actually must say that I really enjoyed it, so I think I'm gonna draw the apple type body a little bit more. And one of my favorites is the pear. I don't know if it's the real name for it, probably not, but this is the shape that I use for it. And I think this is actually one of the shapes that I love the most, because I can really use the roundings in a woman's body, and I really love that, like drawing big hips and like a bigger waist or a smaller waist and bigger hips, like the hourglass, like the first shape I did. And you can just actually play around with it, but I always start off with a shape. So especially when you start drawing, just begin with drawing a shape and then draw like the waistline, the hips, the legs. Start off with the head, of course, like I said before. It's just like, yeah, just find the shape in things you want to draw. Like in everything you want to draw is like a different shape. Like bodies is a very good example for it. Like you see on the video, you just start off with like a round circle for the head. You draw a chin, a line, and then you have a face, and from the face you go to the neck, and then you go off with the shoulders, and the shoulders is just a straight horizontal line, and from there you draw the shape you want the body to have. So that's how I draw different body shapes, and it's a very quick video. I know, guys, it's a bit messy, but one of my dearest subscribers asked me to make a video like this, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna make a video like it, like this. I'm actually making other videos, I'm still editing other videos, I'm still figuring out the edit software, which one I should use. I just cleaned my computer completely, so I'm actually doing different things on different videos at the same time. So I just took this one as a very quick video. I wasn't prepared for it like all the way like I wanted to be, but I think it turned out great, and I think the message that I'm trying to send is getting clear a little bit more. And if you want to draw like a person in motion, like a person moving, or different poses you want to try, then start off with a line like I did here. Just start off with a line on where you want the body to go. Do you want a moving body? Do you want a sitting body? Just start out with those lines, and from those lines you can draw the shapes, like where are the hips going to be, where is the legs are going to be, where are the shoulders starting, and things like that. You can start to figure things out by using the line, the motion line you want your character, your person you're drawing to be in. And I'm just showing you really quick how to draw a person from the side. So it's just like one straight line, and then you start using some shapes for the legs and for the waistline, for the upper body. You just actually start playing around with those shapes, and eventually you will learn to see the shape in it and not to search the shape in it, if you know what I mean. everything will be a little bit more clear for you guys when you actually start practicing those shapes. And of course, those were some really quick sketches, so you just need to refine the lines, you need to erase some lines, and just go ahead with playing around, and eventually you will see that you'll get something that you want to draw. And something that I just really wanted to add in this video, it wasn't like supposed to be in a video, but I really thought it was a good tip for you guys, something you could use. When you draw like a teen or an adult, they are different size. A child is not as big as an adult, and a teen is not as big as an adult, and a teen is bigger as a child. So how do you actually draw those different body types? That's actually fairly easy, but you just really gotta know how you do it, and you just need to learn to see the whole page and not the thing you're drawing. So when I draw a head, I'll say like a child that I'm drawing like here, like in 10-year-olds. The head of the 10-year-old fits like 4 times in the body, so that's actually the measure that I keep. Like a teen is probably 6 times his head in the body, so if you draw like the head, then you can start to see like how large is the head with the side of your pencil, and then you can start like mapping out where the entire body goes and where the feet are. And that's just a little bit. There are some tabels, I guess, for it that you could use, and most people say like an adult is at 8 times the head in the body, but I do like 7 times because otherwise the legs are ridiculously long, and I don't really like drawing legs like really long legs. So I just take like 7 heads in the body, and I just drew some horizontal lines so you guys could see what I'm actually trying to say, what I'm trying to explain. And this is how I draw kids and teens, adults, always by just starting off with the head, just like the body shapes. Start off with the head, then you know where the head is going to be, you know how big it's going to be, different stuff like that. And it's just playing and exercising and just repeating. You just need to draw different poses and draw different body types to discover different things and to learn different things. And this is actually something that I use a lot. I always start off from shapes, and then I start refining the shapes, and I start drawing some other things, and I do erase a lot. Of course, in this one I didn't erase that much because I just wanted to do like a very quick sketch and to show you that you can easily draw different body types by using those measurements, by using the heads and the body shapes, the different shapes, as guideline for your character. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.